Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing great. This is just a short update video or a how-to video on my mini canvas gauge. A viewer asked me how I do it with the touch sensors on the side, and this is just a short video for him to explain. First of all, these are the touch sensors that I'm using, TPP223. Those are SOT 6, I think they're called, and small sensors, but very useful, and they're practical, inexpensive. Here they are, they have 6 pins. So what I do, I have these two pads. Don't mind this one, this is for the Bluetooth antenna. The actual pads are, let me get something pointy, here and here on the front and the back, and those are connected to the input pin of the touch sensor. And here's up close. I have two vias, each connecting the front and the back. Probably wouldn't hurt to put more in there, but two just works. And now I want to show this on the PCB itself. I'm using Eagle. It's kinda, yeah, light from the top. Anyway, you can see it. Here are the pins, the pads, left and right. And these are actually sensitive enough, I'll put this all the way out there, that I can touch the PCB through the case like that. So you don't even have to touch from the front or from the back. It can be from the side of the PCB, and they are really sensitive enough to go through a 2mm, not that plastic ABS would hinder any signals, but it's sensitive enough to be touched from the outside of the case, and that way you don't have anything. It's like a hidden touch sensor. You can of course make any markings on the 3D print if you want, and this is how it works. And I will show you the schematic as well. I pull it up here. So this is touch right, and you actually don't need anything extra, just that one chip over here, 6 pins. This capacitor is only required if it's too sensitive. You can put something like 10 picofarad, 40, 50, 100 picofarad. I don't know how high you can go to make it less sensitive, but it's not necessary. I have them in my schematic, but I never use them. I just leave it blank because I wanted obviously to have it sensitive to be able to do it, to register the touch like that. So, and those are the 4 pads, smaller pads. I just put them together. Let me do this side by side here. So right, yeah, when I highlight that, you can see these are just extended. That's on the front, on the back. That's one's on the top and on the right. And those vias actually do connect those two pads together. And then I have this one wire going to the sensor. And here is the, I don't know if you can see it, over here on the bottom is the, there you go, here is the pin, and it goes in, and here's the 10 picofarad capacitor that I do not use. And that's all there's to it, nothing more. Very easy to do. Just use a polygon, pour your pad, or don't even have to use polygon. That's what I had in my mind. Actually, it's not. It's just two large pads put together. And this is how I do the touch sensors. It's only cost pennies. It's nice and hidden. And I did this on several different PCBs as well. So, hope this was informative. And if you want to see more tips or have any questions, do leave them in the comment. As you can see, I respond and I make extra videos for it. So what's bad about that? Nothing. So if you like it, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, or click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you can support me with via my Tindy store to buy a can gauge like that. This one I'm gonna actually build one myself. This one I'm gonna build for myself and put another one in my car. And what was I gonna say? Yeah, you can support me via Patreon, via PayPal, the super button. I mean, there's all things that you can support me with, but at least leave a like, write a comment, even if you say if you hated it, that's fine. And that's it. I was gonna say something else, but I forgot. Oh yes, I'm gonna make tutorials with I designed these cases, or this one in particular I designed in Tinkercad. Really easy, really fast. But I also import the STL file into FreeCAD and then do like the chamfering, like I did on this case here. And don't mind the bad resin print, but I do make those in Tinkercad, and I also designed these clips to have a removable back. But resin is very brittle, as you can see here. While trying to put it back on here several times, it did crack. Otherwise it looks like that. So I'm gonna make a video about this, and I don't know if all resins are this brittle. I mean, I didn't push like crazy on this. I only need to push it like this much, and I did it maybe tops 20 times since I printed this. I have another black resin. I will try it with that and see if that is as brittle as well. And anyway, this is another upcoming product. If you want to know what it is, I told you what to do. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and like the video. Thanks for watching. Take care.